JP Morgan, ServiceNow, Walmart. I've written about all of them. But the question I keep getting is, how do we actually implement this? So today, I'm getting practical. After deploying hundreds of AI agents with partners over the past year and measuring every single one, here's what actually works. The playbook is see, measure, decide, and act. I wrote about it exactly a week ago. But the insight isn't the framework. It's what goes inside each phase that most enterprises miss. Let me walk you through it today. First, the mindset shift. Governance isn't something you add after deployment. It's architecture you design from day one. This means knowing your data risks before agents go live, understanding policy compliance upfront, and building visibility into the system from the start. Yes, I know, not the most exciting topics, but these are essentials. The enterprises scaling successfully treat governance as an accelerator, not a brake. They move faster because they've already answered the hard questions. Let's talk about the playbook. Phase 1. See your AI landscape. You need a 360-degree visibility. For agentic AI, which agents are running? Who owns them? What decisions are they making? And what success metrics and KPIs are we tracking? For assistive AI, what tools are your employees actually using? Do you know your use cases, efficiency gains, your shadow AI? I'm assuming you already know your adoption. One enterprise we worked with discovered more than 50 AI tools in active use. It maybe wasn't shocking, but it was rather a great insight to have. They were paying for 3 different coding assistants across the teams as well. Shadow AI wasn't malicious. It was innovation happening faster than policy could track. So start with the uncomfortable audit. You can't measure what you can't see. Phase 2. Measure what actually matters. For agentic AI, there are 2 layers. Layer 1 is core financial metrics. Total monetary gain, cost per task, time saved in dollars, completion rates. I could keep going, but these are table stakes. Layer 2 is success KPIs. This requires a custom approach, and this is where most enterprises fail. Here's a real example. A voice AI agent in a retail call center we measured. The basic metrics looked fine. Calls handled, cost per call down, resolution rate acceptable, amongst others. Honestly, there was plenty of them. But the success KPI that justifies scaling was something else. It was qualified leads that converted within 30 days. That agent generated hundreds of thousands of dollars in quarterly revenue impact. Without that metric, it's the AI seems to be working, Mr. CFO. With it, it's the AI is driving revenue. Success KPIs are custom to your vertical and your workflow. Therefore, I won't dive today into this topic here. However, defining them before deployment, not after, is crucial. For assistive AI, the focus shifts to employee efficiency tied to revenue. Use case mapping across the teams and risk visibility, this is the bare minimum I would everyone expect to know. Phase 3, decide with data. Every AI initiative should prove value between 30 to 45 days or get killed, not 6 months. We're not in 2023 anymore. Define baseline and success criteria beforehand. In weeks 1 and 2, run the pilot with measurement active. So in weeks 3 and 4, you gain the insight that allows you to get to the decision point at week 5 and 6 with actual data. The enterprises generating billions aren't running 50 pilots anymore. They're running 5 scaled initiatives that proved value fast. Phase 4, act. Act on what's proven. With visibility, measurement, and proven pilots, the CFO conversation changes completely. You're not asking for budget on promises. You are showing documented ROI and requesting resources to multiply it. Next week, I'm releasing the complete PDF playbook just for you. Phase-by-phase checklists, KPI templates, the 30, 45-day pilot framework, governance design checklist as well. Save it, share it with your team, use it for your own deployments. Nothing expected in exchange. Until then, start with phase 1. Run the audit. Discover what you don't know. When your CFO asks which AI investments are actually working, your answer should be data. Full article below. How is your playbook?